The emergence of remote working has unlocked unprecedented opportunities for aspiring digital nomads, particularly those without extensive experience. Transitioning into this lifestyle requires a combination of strategic planning, resourcefulness, and commitment to continuous learning. This guidance is tailored to equip beginners with actionable steps towards embarking on a digital nomad journey. Firstly, the emphasis must be placed on self-education. The digital age offers an array of free resources that are invaluable for skill acquisition. Platforms such as YouTube or various online course providers like Coursera or edX present tutorials spanning a multitude of disciplines. Whether it be digital marketing, graphic design, or content creation, these resources are accessible to build foundational knowledge indispensable for remote work. Constructing a basic portfolio or personal website is essential, as it demonstrates one's abilities and projects a professional image. This digital showcase is vital in attracting potential clients, and can be contrived using user-friendly platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Creating robust profiles on renowned freelance platforms is equally crucial. Websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and Guru offer avenues to connect with clients seeking freelance services. It is advantageous to start with smaller gigs to gain valuable experience and gain ratings, even if it involves pro bono work initially. Engaging in professional communities and networking groups on Facebook or LinkedIn can contribute significantly to finding opportunities. Joining niche-specific groups enables interactions with like-minded professionals and facilitates the exchange of insights and opportunities. Once competencies are established, frequented remote job boards such as Remote OK, We Work Remotely, Jobspresso, and Remote Nomad Jobs can be perused for diverse opportunities. These platforms specialize in posting roles specifically catered to remote work. Financial prudence is paramount when considering accommodation options whilst traveling. Work exchange programs are an innovative solution where an individual can volunteer a couple of hours daily in return for housing. Such arrangements are prevalent in hostels, farms, NGOs, or ecological projects, fostering cultural exchange and enriching one's travel experience. Ultimately, the journey of becoming a digital nomad is characterized by effort and perseverance. It exceeds the leisurely stereotype of working from idyllic settings, and instead necessitates dedication to skill enhancement, networking, and adaptation. However, the resultant freedoms, adaptability, and adventures render it a gratifying pursuit. Embracing incremental steps and maintaining a curious and adventurous spirit is vital on this transformative path into remote working endeavors. This narrative serves as a blueprint for those embarking on this dynamic and liberating career path. Want the full guide? Visit tipnomad.com.